Hello, let's see how to add the mask in the vending machine now. Let's add the KN95 masks firstly. I am adding the masks one by one now. Okay, it's done. Let's adjust the board. Loosen the screws and put the board. Then tighten the screws. Okay, let's do the same thing to the other slot for the PLY3 masks. This channel is done now. And adjust the board again. Okay, tighten the screws. Finally, perfect. Close the door. And let's see how to buy the mask from the vending machine. You see, there is no mask here. And this is $1/4. And put coin in the coin acceptor now. Then choose the mask in the machine. Okay, it's delivered. This is KN95 masks. And choose another mask. Okay, it's delivered too. Okay,